Hi, I'm Mark Schroeder from GSHC Surrogacy Agency, and today we're speaking with Eric Stovall, a surrogacy and adoption attorney in Nevada. How are you doing today, Eric?
Doing very good. Thank you, Mark.
Can you give an idea of what the ballpark cost estimates for the legal services for surrogacy in Nevada would be?
These are the prices that I charge, and I don't mind sharing this with my clients. I want them to know what to expect when they retain me and have me work for them. I charge $2,500 to draft the contract. If an experienced attorney has drafted the contract, I charge $1,500 to represent the other side. And I require an experienced attorney to be drafting the contract that I review, because a lot of times, if you're getting an attorney who doesn't know what they're doing, try to draft the contract, or is just taking a contract that they find on the internet and trying to make it work for this surrogacy journey, it's usually a train wreck, and I'm going to have to charge more for that. But if it's an experienced attorney on the other side, that's not a problem. I would charge $1,500 for that. As far as the pre-birth order process goes, the parentage petition, I charge $2,800 to draft that, plus court costs of roughly $300 to $400. If I'm representing the other party, I can represent either party in drafting the pre-birth order petition. But if I'm just reviewing a petition another attorney drafted, I charge $750 for that. And I think these prices are pretty reflected throughout the attorneys practicing in surrogacy law in Nevada that are indeed qualified. No doubt you can find someone that'll do it cheaper, but that's not what you want to have.
And are there benefits to pursuing a surrogacy journey in Nevada?
Yes, Mark. In Nevada, you're going to find some of the best, most cutting-edge laws in America with respect to surrogacy law. Several years ago, we had a whole new set of laws for surrogacy passed in Nevada. And those new surrogacy laws, again, are cutting edge. We can do any type of surrogacy situation with the exception of traditional surrogacy, where the surrogate is using her own egg through the process. That's not permitted in Nevada. But anything else would be permitted in Nevada. The only requirement to obtain jurisdiction under Nevada law is that the intended parents must reside in Nevada, or the carrier must reside in Nevada, or the medical procedure must be performed in Nevada, or the birth is either expected to happen in Nevada or actually happens in Nevada. As long as any one of those criteria are met, we can do the contract under Nevada law, and that's a benefit to both parties.
What is a pre-birth order, and when is that established?
The pre-birth order is what we do about month 4, maybe month 5 of the pregnancy. We draft a petition. We call it a parentage petition. Most people call it the PBO process or the pre-birth order process. But in essence, what it is, it's the parentage petition that we file with the court. And we ask the court to take a look at the parties, at their contract, and realize that these parties have come together to do the surrogacy agreement. And we ask the court to confirm the contract, and also to instruct Nevada Vital Records to place the names of the intended parent or parents on the birth certificate, and make sure that the surrogate and her spouse, if she's married, are not placed on the birth certificate by Vital Records. And through that process, that's how we make sure that the intended parents have full rights over the child, and the surrogate has no rights or duties or responsibilities over the child, and that's important to her and her spouse if she's married. Part of that process is filing the petition and then having the other side's attorney review that, because it is a joint petition filed with the court. In the last 6 years or so since we've had our new Nevada laws in place, I've had no problem getting the pre-birth order issued. I should also mention that there are some international clients that need to have pre-birth orders entered either before birth or more specifically after birth. We can do that in Nevada. I can have a pre-birth order issued and I can have a post-birth order issued by the court if an international client requires that. We do that all the time. That is not a problem.
This has been a conversation with Eric Stovall, a surrogacy and adoption attorney in Nevada. Thank you so much for your time, Eric. Really appreciate it.
Certainly, Mark. It was a pleasure talking with you and answering your questions. I look forward to, if there's any unanswered questions, be sure to contact my office. I'm happy to answer them.